For us, short-term rentals is where our bread and butter is at, for sure. Hi, my name is Patrick Bollig. I own a cleaning business here in Honolulu, Hawaii. I've been doing it for about 6 years now. We do a complete detail of the home and we get it check-in ready for the next guest. The majority of our work is with short-term rentals. It pays really well. And for someone who, like myself, who doesn't have a very high educational level, for me to be able to provide for my family and for me to live in Hawaii, being that the cost of living here is so high, short-term rentals or this business that I'm in allows me to live in Hawaii and be able to make a living. A ban on short-term rentals would impact my business in the sense that I would have no job. I'd have no cash flow coming in. I'd have to start all over again. Completely changing the short-term rental law could be a step in the wrong direction. And it could also eliminate local jobs across the island. The message I would deliver to City Council is please think long and hard about it, because your decisions are going to affect local business owners and locals like myself.
Tell City Council you oppose Bill 41.